Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a clip taken from a long video, 64 minutes video that I've just recorded for my subscribers. The clip focuses on the Spanish market. I think we have an interesting situation there. And the video of today, in fact, is jam-packed with a lot of insights. I am looking at several markets from the very long-term perspective, and I am, if you like, tying the messages, the various messages that I'm getting together in order to strengthen a certain suggestion that I have concerning two specific markets that are covered in this video. If you like to have access to this video as well as the charts that go with it, you can try out my service for not much money. I will provide more details, so if you're interested, please stay on. After the clip ends, I'll talk to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. A few general observations before I go through with the charts. I think the dollar index is heading for further lows, and some serious testing is ahead of us of the ultimate floor at around 71. I see the precious metals continuing higher, as well as the stock market very strong for now. I see potential reversal in the bonds coming this week. And I think that we may be something interesting boiling up in oil and the grains. So here are the charts that I have in this video. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, US dollar South African rand, gold, silver, high grade copper, the euro bond, long yields continuous chart, the USD bond, that's the June 2011, and then the FVX, the heating oil, S&P 500 cash, S&P 400 cash, Dow, the DAX. I'll have a look at the IBEX35 of Spain. Very interesting situation there. And then I'll have a look at soybeans. That's May 2011, the soybeans continuous chart. I'll have a look at sugar. That is sugar continuous chart, sugar world traded in the US. And I'll have a look also at sugar index. Now I'm looking at the Spanish index, and I've got here an interesting situation I already examined before a few months ago, if you remember. That's the monthly going back into 1992. And I put forward the suggestion that we may be looking actually here at a consolidation that might work out as a fourth wave. You see 3-4. And that's been going on for more than 3 years, almost 3 years and a half, almost 4 years. We just had figures of unemployment in Spain, and topping over 21%. Situation in Spain is not good. Of course, they had the property crash, and they have massive problems with the banks and across the economy. So, but you know, they say you buy stocks when there is blood running in the streets, and you wonder if that's not the scenario that we are facing now, with the Spanish index basically converging into what might become an excellent buying opportunity 2 or 3 years down the road. You might look back and say, wow, that was something. We have here a support line that's been going on for over 2 decades. That is holding. We have, in favor of the bulls, we have a convergence here that appears to be a triangle, and we might even be looking at the end. This might be behind us, the triangle. It might actually be starting now. Huge, powerful rally that will carry it above 16,000. Now, I had a message here for you, for those of you interested in the Spanish market. Interesting situation with the Spanish index. Study it further. Possibly good play on options on the EWP. That's the ETF that stands for Spain stock, standing for the iShares of Spain. Also specific Spanish stocks should be considered. See Telefonica, for example. Okay, let's go now to the weekly and take it step by step. Now here's the triangle. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C in black. Don't get confused with a brown, because that's going to lead us the other way around. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D. We're looking at an E, possibly nailed here. Now this is the bullish wave count. The bearish would say no, this is a triangle that would actually lead a lot lower. Now I'm going to examine this step by step, but I just want to say that it is possible that the bullish wave count is still ongoing. We are not going to be sure either way until we get a break, either a breakdown through the orange line that would be tilting the chart here towards the bearish side, a break of 10,000. And an upside breakout here above the brown line that would favor the bulls and would suggest we may have actually nailed here an important yearly bottom that now this is going to go a lot higher. Now take a look at the index here, and this is the ADX. The ADX you see lying under both for several months, almost 2 months, several weeks, a good 6 to 8 weeks, and now the surge in the green. We have, this is the 200 moving average, and that is the 50. This one is also trending higher. A potential wave count. This is not a high confidence wave count, but when you see what's going on with the Dow, you see what's going on with the rest, you have to begin to factor a bullish influence on Europe. You see what's going on with the DAX. So yes, Spain might be actually pulled out of its misery with this wave count actually looking up. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 1, 2. We are up in a 3 of 3. If I'm right, no business coming down here anymore. Finished. There is absolutely no point coming down here. This market soon will top above 11,200 and start running up in a fast clip. This should be a fairly interesting market to watch. 60-minute chart, just for those who are interested, very short term. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, potential third wave in the making here, consolidation, another short up. For a futures contract, this is pretty good trade, you know. The homepage of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only. per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that I run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word by all means. I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.